All right, good evening, folks. This is Marcel. Here comes Amtrak 748 or 746 right now. Final destination of that train is going to Sacramento. This is it, y'all. Here she comes. Cat car leading this one off at the Oakland Coliseum station. Or 748 is the train. Sorry, I got my mind on something else. Once again, this is the Amtrak Capital Corridor train coming in. This train is going to Sacramento. People are coming from the Oakland A's versus Giants game today at the Oakland Coliseum. All right, folks, cat car. Oh, 8308, Mount San Gardenia. Alongside with, I believe, with 2107 or 2124. Seven 748. It's the train name. It's 748. What an SC44 Siemens Charger in the back. But 2107. We'll be right back after this commercial break. Okay, we are back here. This is Amtrak 748. Final destination of the train, Sacramento. 8308, Mount San Gardenia leads off. Alongside with the SC44 Siemens Charger, I believe it's 2107. All right, folks, there she goes, ladies and gentlemen. That train is off to Sacramento. Coming up next is Coast Starlight 14. She got the blinking yellow signal on track number 3. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Any passengers on that train, please have a safe trip to Sacramento. Be safe. All right. Bye-bye now.